Cognitive and emotional facts. Intrusive thoughts, obsessive thoughts about the person dominate the mind, making it hard to focus on anything else. Emotional dependency. A person's happiness and self-worth become entirely tied to their romantic interest. Rumination. Constantly replaying interactions, messages, or past experiences with the person. Idealization. Overestimating the positive qualities of the love interest while ignoring red flags. Cognitive dissonance. Rationalizing unhealthy behaviors to fit one's obsessive feelings. Jealousy and paranoia. Constant fear of losing the person to someone else, leading to excessive monitoring. Rejection sensitivity. Intense emotional reactions to perceived or real signs of disinterest. Mood swings. Extreme emotional highs when receiving attention and lows when ignored. Impaired decision-making. Making irrational choices to maintain or win over the love interest. Confirmation bias. Seeking out signs that the obsession is justified while ignoring contradictory evidence. Behavioral facts. Compulsive checking. Repeatedly checking texts, social media, or online statuses for updates. Stalking behavior. Following the person online or in real life to maintain a sense of connection. Love bombing. Overwhelming the person with affection, gifts, or excessive communication. Neglecting responsibilities. Losing focus on work, school, or social obligations due to obsession. Over-pursuit. Continuing to pursue someone despite clear signs of disinterest or rejection. Mimicry and mirroring. Adopting the interests, speech, or behaviors of the love interest. Isolation. Withdrawing from friends and family to focus entirely on the object of obsession. Self-sabotage. Engaging in reckless or self-destructive behaviors if the love interest pulls away. Excessive gift-giving. Using material items to gain affection or validation. Boundary violations. Ignoring personal boundaries in an attempt to stay close to the person. Psychological disorders and mental health effects. Obsessive love disorder (OLD), a condition characterized by an uncontrollable obsession with someone. Erotomania, a delusional belief that the person is secretly in love with them. Limerence, an intense, involuntary emotional state with obsessive longing and fantasy. Depression, feelings of worthlessness and despair if the obsession is unreciprocated. Anxiety disorders, panic attacks and excessive worrying about losing the person. Attachment trauma. Childhood attachment wounds manifesting as obsessive love patterns. CODEPNDNCY. Prioritizing the love interest's needs over one's own well-being. Addiction-like dependence. Dopamine and oxytocin spikes creating a chemical dependency on the love interest. Narcissistic supply-seeking. Needing constant validation and attention from the person. Suicidal ideation. Extreme cases where rejection or separation triggers thoughts of self-harm.